Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to fix this error of we can't accept online orders right now. If this is my online store, if I go to shop, if I try to add or to buy any product, I see this error. How to fix it is super simple. The only or the way to fix it is to first log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites. And next to the online store, you want to fix the error of we can't accept online orders right now. Click on Manage Store. First, the fix is to add at least a payment method, one payment method at least. So go to Settings, then Payments, and here if you need to connect at least a payment method like PayPal, Stripe, or manual payment. Since PayPal is not quick to enable or to add as a payment gateway, I will go with a manual payment. Let's call it anything payments instructions. After that, click on Save. Now let's visit the same website, or instead of visiting the same website, let's refresh the same page. Now, after adding a payment method or a one payment method at least, if I go on Add to Bag, then try to check out, the problem is solved. And this is how to fix the error of we can't accept online orders right now in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And before I wrap this video, if you add a payment method at least and you still see the same error, this means that your website is still using the browser cache. So try to visit your website in the incognito mode on Google Chrome, for example. The second try is to add a different payment method. If you still see the error, here try to add a shipping option. So how to do it? Simply click on Create Zone, give it a name, for example, Worldwide, add at least, or let's go with Select All, click on Save. After creating this Worldwide shipping zone, by default, you will see this regular shipping option added for it. After that, click on Edit Website. Then update your website from the corner. This way, you will make sure that you added all the requirements to not see the error of we can't accept online orders right now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.